Numerous people, vehicles, and things enter and exit your premises daily. Do you feel you're spending a huge amount of money on operations and security? Are you dealing with day-to-day issues like chaos at entry points, too many paper registers, misuse of amenities, pilferage of resources, delay in payments, loss of bills and data? However, managing a premises need not be such a complex process. So, how about a complete solution that can solve all your problems efficiently and cost-effectively, at the same time increasing accountability and productivity? Well, here's the good news. VersionX EntryPoint, a unique and user-friendly intelligent premises management system helping you secure and manage your entire premises ecosystem. It is a cloud-native solution that works offline and in multiple entry and exit points and locations in real time. Guess what? VersionX EntryPoint is even integrated with access control hardware like biometrics, boom barriers, and turnstiles. EntryPoint Visitor Management app is a part of VersionX EntryPoint. It is an intelligent application that automates people management. It manages visitors, staff, vendors, housekeeping, laborers, delivery boys, cabs, and a host of other categories of people. VersionX EntryPoint. It records their time logs, attendance, and permissions. Using EntryPoint Visitor Management app, a security personnel can authenticate and capture a person's details under 10 seconds. VersionX EntryPoint also manages vehicle tracking, material movement, water tanker management, couriers, parking management, duty patrolling, ticketing, asset management, and many more. Get complete traceability metrics, analytics, and reports from anywhere using your web browser. You can customize the solution as per your processes, be it for schools, factories, apartments, corporate, hotels, hospitals. We have a solution for everyone. Because Team VersionX is committed to solving your business problems. Do visit our website for more details. EntryPoint.in. Call us for a demo. We'll be happy to help.